and join me. We're drawing Ellie from Pocoyo, waving hello. She's a cute, pink elephant who loves to dance and play. Let's get started. What shape is Ellie's head? A big oval. Yes. That helps us draw her cute face. Look, the eyes of Ellie are now wide open. She is having fun investigating her surroundings. Can you find a rectangle in our drawing? Her legs. You got it. You're so smart. What do you think Ellie is saying while she waves? Maybe hello, friends, or let's play. Can you wave like Ellie? Great job! You're just like her. Excellent! Our sketch is all done. Now it's time to color her. Ellie is pink and her backpack is blue. Let's grab our markers. Ellie is the tallest friend in Pocoyo's world. She loves her blue backpack and tea parties. Elephants have amazing memories. Just like Ellie. Her favorite color is pink. Just like her. Ellie is super strong but also very gentle. If you had fun, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so we can draw together again. Real elephants use their trunks to wave, but Ellie uses her hand. She's a great dancer. Can you dance like Ellie? Awesome! You are a good dancer. You did an amazing job today. Give yourself a big round of applause. What was your favorite part to draw? That was the fun part. I am very grateful that you spent today with me. See you soon.